side of it. We're gonna see that in a moment. So what this is a spot welder, as you might tell, right? So it has these two leads that you spot with or spot weld with. And then it has a port for charging. It just uses a regular 9, I guess, paddle jack. Like this, goes to a 5-volt USB. That's it. And then you got this push button with an LED integrated on it. So when you hold and press and hold, you should hear a buzzer and the LED start blinking as fast as you set it the last time. So if you click again, it'll blink faster, meaning that the power of the spot weld will be higher. If you click again, it'll be faster, and then it'll cycle through until it gets to the slowest thing, which is this, right? I think this was good for me. So if you press again and hold, you'll hear the buzzer and it's turned off, so no worries right there. So we're gonna open it and see what's inside really quick. And use our Jackamie set over here. Sorry for the noise. So I already opened it and seen what's inside, so I'm gonna show that to you guys. Let's do that real quick, hopefully, so as not to make the video much more longer than it is, or than what it should be. Okay, so yeah, you have a connector here or a cable connecting the DC input and the button we just saw, and then that connects to the main board, which we can unplug the cable if you want. Yeah, it's a bit difficult. So yeah, as you can see, here's what we can see inside. We have the spot welder circuit or board or whatever. So I don't know what's this. This is, I would assume, are some MOSFETs that are letting the current go through. Mainly, I guess it's the negative. Yes, it's the negative. The positive is connected directly to the battery, so it's through the negative. The pulse goes through these MOSFETs, and they're controlled by some ICs, I guess, and some other things that I'm not really sure about. So there's the other side. I don't want to get this out. You have a beefier battery over here. I couldn't measure the capacity yet. I will do that in the future. I see a ball of solder here, which is kind of not great. All right, got rid of that. But one thing that I noticed is that the connections of on the battery originally from the battery are beefier to handle the current, the short circuit. It's mainly like a short circuit current. So yeah, the things that I don't like is the soldering done in here. As you can see, this battery is sitting against this corner over here. It's very tight in there, so I might wanna get the soldering, desolder this and resolder them again correctly. Also the soldering on the other side, I've seen it before, the soldering of the wires, I don't like it. And plus, I'm not sure about this if it's a problem or not, but for me it doesn't look neat. I don't know if you can see that right there. Yeah, you can see some metal exposed over the wire. I like the insulator to be flush with the board and the solder be soldered with the other side. That's how I like it. It doesn't create another big issue or something. The other thing is this button. I don't really like. It's cool. It has the LED built in, but you have to press it like that, and your finger has to go inside, which is the button is like narrow. It's not very convenient. If it was a bigger button that would not look great, but if it was big, it's no big issue. But I would probably change this and put a separate LED, because what I think this is just a switch and an LED. Yeah, and I can see here 4 pins. That's it. So yeah, we can put this now together, put it back together, and show you a demonstration of this. I have some cells here that I wanted to put together for probably some power bank. Probably, yeah, a lot of probablys. Okay, put that together. We'll put the screws in. So again, for the noise, people like to show off their motorbikes, although they're not. Oh, it's some kind of motorbikes. It's just some wacky ass motorbike. Probably cut this and edit it in. Yeah, so it's done. Check this out. It looks like a heart. So we have these 4 cells over here that I've I'm just using this to arrange them in like horizontally, or yeah, just for them to be aligned. That's all. We're gonna power up. Yeah, as you heard, it's buzzing, and it was like shorted right there. So that's why I was buzzing for a. We have some nickel strip over here. We're gonna place that on one of the cells and solder it, right? We're gonna hold that with one end and put the other end here. Okay, wait a second. Let me align this better. There you have it. And I like the power that I've set over here. This level of power is good for me. That's enough. Well, doesn't look as neat, but it's okay. So yeah, actually, if you can see, it's well spotted right there. Maybe we'll try with another cell and show you the strength of the weld, because you wouldn't see unless I rip it apart. See the sparks as well. Okay, nice. So as you can see right there, it's pretty welded over there. I can't get this to focus. All right, there you go. All right, I don't want to rip it apart yet, just yet, because I really want to keep this as is. So, all right, I don't want to rip it apart yet, just yet, because I really want to keep this as is. So yeah, I'll continue on this like off camera. Here we have a dead cell over here. We're gonna spot this piece of nickel strip. Let me just get rid of some of the residue over here, although it won't matter, but yeah. So there you have it. Let's try ripping it apart. So as you can see, it's pretty strong. I'll try to pull it apart. Okay, focus for God's sake. As you can see, it left some residue over there, which means that the spot was strong enough, right? So yeah, that usually happens with strong, good spot welds. Sorry. And you usually find this with the original like packs in batteries and in laptop batteries or such. Usually you find this kind of strength, which is what I like, and I think I'm gonna keep it on this level and finish all my jobs with that. Thank you for watching.